Yo, what's up guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'll show you how I build this cool looking RGB backplate for my GPU. You can also make it too, so watch this video till end. So these are the all items that we are going to use. First, we have to measure the graphics card PCB dimensions, then cut out the acrylic sheet according to the measurement.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all I stay calm, yeah. Tell them all I move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lasers talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, ayy, shows. I'm smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood, but we brethrens. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, what send them. Fuck with the fam, you a
Next, we have to make a groove on the acrylic sheet for LED strip. You can use any Dremel tool to do this, but in my case, I'm using this trimmer tool. Okay guys, now we have to install the LED strip into the groove. To do that, I'm using some hot glue.
Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020 and they notice the vision. You be the hero, I'm playing the villain. The underdogs and we walking the villain. We getting money, yeah, they think that we dealing. They talking hot, yeah, they opponents and we won't stop till we all touch a million. Don't ever forget, but we probably forgive them. I'm living, taking the cards that was given. My blessings is already written. Wrapped it a ribbon, putting ourselves in positions to making some major decisions. Started from the mud, now you see us going up.
Alright guys, I have printed this Minecraft picture on a vinyl paper with my inkjet printer, and we have to paste it on our GPU backplate.
I'm trying to get where I'm going, but haters be trolling, that's what they thinking you got me right where you want me. I tell a ghost just ducked up. Sending them shots, we send them back, yeah, ain't really bout that. Run, it's always bounce back. Need more hands just to count that. Stay on my bully, I need me more breeze just so we can get the team right. Loaded up fully, dogs on a leash, and you be knowing that's a scary sight. Don't happen overnight, work smarter with some sacrifice.
6 months later.
Here we go guys, our RGB GPU backplate is ready. Now we just need to install it into our CPU. I used double-sided tape to mount it on the graphics card and connected the LED strip wires to the RGB controller of my RGB fans. So enjoy the review. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe for more such videos. And also click on that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.